Hi, I'm Sydney, your AI instructor, and welcome to your free training on how you can receive 3 times the market rent through nonprofit organizations. In this section, we will cover what is shared housing for special needs, including the different types of needs that define special needs, associated problems faced with housing. Special needs are any group of people, individuals with disabilities, doctors, lawyers, pilots, airline stewardess, etc., who can benefit from all-inclusive shared housing concept. Kind of like Airbnb but at a much extended period of time. This group of people share rental and pay rent as individuals. They share common areas like the living room, kitchen, and bathroom. Problems faced by special needs according to the CCD, Consortium for Citizens with Disabilities, pricing out in 2012, a joint study by CCD. The Technical Assistance Collaborative (TAC) found that as many as 2 million non-elderly people with disabilities reside in homeless shelters, public institutions, nursing homes, unsafe and overcrowded board and care homes. Also, at homes with aging parents or segregated group quarters, often due to lack of affordable housing in the community. Since the Olmsted decision, hundreds of thousands of individuals have been discharged from public institutions, usually with inadequate attention to the housing and support services needed to accommodate their relocation. Given ongoing and increased pressure for states to comply with ADA, those numbers will inevitably grow. At the same time, a generation of caregivers that resisted institutionalization, keeping loved ones with disabilities at home, is aging out. Where will adults with disabilities live when mom and dad can no longer care for them? Affordability. The CCD TAC report indicates that, as of 2012, the average monthly rent in the U.S. for a one-bedroom apartment was 104% of the average monthly SSI supplemental security income payment received by the 4.8 million individuals with disabilities living outside institutional settings. Accessibility. Many individuals with disabilities require residences that are wheelchair accessible. Just locating residences without entrance steps can prove a challenge. Other accommodations, such as wider doorways, raised electrical outlets, and lower kitchen surfaces, are even more difficult to find and come at additional cost. Discrimination. The stigma attached to disability remains pervasive despite the fact that about 20% of the nation's adult population has a disability of some kind. HUD's Fair Housing Enforcement Office reports that filings by individuals with disabilities comprise the majority of their discrimination complaints. Nonprofits seeking to open group homes routinely face community pushback. Landlords turn down rental applications. Mental illness, especially, gets branded as having high crime potential. The reality is that people with disabilities are frequently the best of neighbors, but misinformation and prejudice bar them from community participation. In the next video, you're going to discover how to take advantage of this type of opportunity and what the financial rewards are. By gathering information on properties needed, accessibilities, and types of clients suggested. See you in the next video.